What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's cackalaacking, people? How y'all doing? How y'all been, girl? It's Tonyanicole, and welcome. Today we got a new subscription for that ass, boo. Girl, we are unboxing Build a Baddie. I mean, they couldn't get more accurate than asking your girl Tonyanicole to unbox this, because y'all know I'm definitely a baddie, right? You should be a baddie too, right? All right. So if you want to see what this Build a Baddie got for this baddie, stay right there. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank ya. All right, my loves. So this company, Build a Baddie Now, reached out to me on Instagram to see if I would unbox their subscription box. And I said, well, why not, babe? Of course I will. So it arrived fairly quickly. Since it's a new subscription, I'll go over all of the specs for you guys. But before we do all of that, I need to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much. I love you all dearly. Okay, so since it's a new sub for me as well as you guys, I'm assuming, we're gonna go through the specs. They did send over this box, and she sent over a little letter right here. I'm gonna read really quickly. It says, Build a Baddie Now, girl, you deserve this. Dear Tonyanicole, I knew that I had to send you a Build a Baddie Now box from the very first time that I saw your unboxing review videos. You're honest, funny, and super adorable. Girl, stop. I hope that you enjoy. So it says Build a Baddie is a baddie subscription box geared specifically to women who are a boss at life with a love of unique style. That's definitely me. We offer several types of boxes. The seasonal box, which is every 3 months. That one is $69. Hold on, y'all. I wrote it down over here because y'all know my brain don't be working right. So that one is, the seasonal box is $69.95 every 3 months. You also have the annual box that is $259 a year. And then the single/gift box, which is a one-time box, and that one is also $69.95. You're going to receive 4 to 7 amazing baddie items based on how you answer your 30-second profile when you sign up. So the contents always include at least 1 fashion item, 1 boss babe or self-care item, or they could just simply, or you guys can just simply select one of their pre-packaged themed boxes, and you'll just get whatever that's packaged in that box. They offer free shipping, and that's it. Y'all can shop for the boxes at buildabaddienow.com. All right, so we're ready to go, right? Yes, I had to change my battery and my camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, my love, so I did not personally pick out anything from the site. She said that she's watched my social media and rounded up a few goodies that she thought that I would like, which really makes me happy because I want to know if she can get me right. So I'm excited, guys. And okay, you know what? She signed it from a chick from Harlem. Babe, I love you already. Okay, so let's go on and get this box on and poppin', boo. I will have all the information down below. I will ask her if there's a code that I can share with you guys to get some money off. Look, I'm excited. Let's go. When we open it, oh, first of all, get into the sticker being a corner. Lord, like, that's like a pose I do like on a regular basis, girl. Like, just whenever. All right, guys, so that's what the inside looks like. I do appreciate, Build a Baddie, looking at my social media and seeing how hard I work on my boxes and unboxings. Thought I was honest and wanted my honest opinion. That means a lot to me, guys. So this is their Instagram right here. You guys can screenshot that. So this is product number 1. I don't have like a product list, guys, or prices, so I'm sorry, I don't. So the first product looks like this. Now, I don't know if Build a Baddie means like this gonna be like a vibrate. Well, maybe I can't say that. Like a, I don't know. Let me see. What is this? How you open it? Oh, okay. So, all right. My mind was in the gutter. So it's like a little lipstick right here, guys, but it is an ink pen. Let me see if she have that on here. So, yes, the cutest ever lipstick pen for you to sign even more contracts and business deals. Oh, wow. Thanks, girl. All right, so yeah, it's a blue pen. I do like this little pen. I'm gonna keep it on my desk, actually. It is very cute. A little lipstick pen. And then she gave me some, oh, not the octagon hoops. Is it an octagon? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hexagon. Girl. Not the hexagon hoops. I'm gonna put these earrings right in right now. All right, I love a big earring. Look at that. Those are really pretty. All right, I'm gonna slip these on. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so this is the earring on, girl. What? I am like, girl, where I'm going, boo? Like, where? All right, so these are tarnish-free earrings as well, my loves. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here. This is the next thing. Well, let's do this one first since that is taped up. Oh, girl. All right. It is a bonnet. Listen to me. I need a bonnet. I always need a bonnet. Oh, it's a black bonnet, and in the inside, it is pink. It says bonnet on, and she's still pretty. What? But let me show y'all right now. Bonnet on, and it's a nice satiny type bonnet. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go ahead and puff it out like we should be wearing it. Look at that. Girl, I'm ready for bed. I'm ready for whatever. It's a cute bonnet, guys. It is really nice. It's right there. It says bonnet on, and she's still pretty. I love it. And I wanted to mention, guys, that it is a double-sided bonnet. It's pink on this side, black on that side, so it's a double-sided. And here's our last product right here. It's taped up really nice. So let me find my little cutter so we can get this baby cut and see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, I don't want to smell her butt, but okay, wait, listen. Y'all, it is a body candle. Like, who body is this? Oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Girl, I love it. Look at her ass. Girl, look at this. This is, okay, I really like this. And you have the little candle thing here. And it smells very good. Oh my goodness, y'all, like this made it for me. Like, who thinks of things like, look at this. Look at that, girl. All right, so this is their signature lavender scented melanin body candle. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna put something under it to burn it, but look at this. I'm smelling her armpit, under her boobs. I'm not gonna smell there, but everything smells really fresh. Okay, now let's do some final thoughts. Well, let me show y'all really quick what we got again. So they sent over these cute little earrings, this body candle, lavender scent, a bonnet, and this little lipstick pen. All right, so y'all, I thought this box was absolutely adorable. I really did. The bonnet, the candle, and the earrings is definitely your girl Tonyanicole. This pen I'll keep on my table to sign, hopefully, more contracts and deals. Absolutely. I really enjoyed unboxing this box, y'all. Like, I had a lot of fun. Mine was in the gutter for this, as usual, but then they hit me with this, babe. Like, okay, so y'all, if y'all want to get into the lavender scented candle and the bonnets and earrings and, you know, anything to pop off your look and be a baddie boo, yes, y'all need to go on to buildabaddie.com and go on and shop. Maybe get the one-time box, see if you like it. You know, check it out. I will reach out to them to see if they're gonna give me a code to give you guys some money off. I'm sorry, but I did enjoy this unboxing. Thanks again to Build a Baddie for sending this over. I appreciate it, and you got your girl right. Earrings is my thing. Definitely candles are a must for me, and everybody needs a bonnet. Yes. So that's all I have, guys. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this box. Let me know if you'll check them out. I haven't seen any other unboxings of this company, but I'll go on YouTube and check. All of my social media stuff is down below. Their link will be down below, and if I get a code, that will be in the description as well. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, y'all. I need to know what y'all thought. I liked it. So that's all I have, loves. Until next time in next video, please stay blessed, prayed up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.